In front of me is UMIDIGI F1, and let me show you how to activate and use camera timer on the following device. So first of all, just open your camera app, tap on settings icon then. And here you will notice self-timer, mark it, and pick 3 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 3 seconds, okay. 3 seconds delay, and now if you want to grab a picture, just mark it, and as you can see, it will be done after 3 seconds. Obviously it works the same if you will pick 10 seconds delay, you will just have a bit longer countdown, and if you would like to turn it off, mark the settings, pick self-timer and turn it off. Now you'll be able to grab a picture with no delay, so let me show it you. And that's it, as you can see, it has been done right after you click. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can use camera timer. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.